Hey everyone, Johnny here with OhioCannabis.com. I'm in Cincinnati at the Cincinnati Reef Marijuana Expo. Had speakers and vendors all day long. I'm here with one of the laboratory vendors here, H Labs. I'm with Mark Fashian, President and CEO. We have Tyler Thomas next to him. He is the QR code specialist. And then we have Jeff Trickett at the end, who is their software specialist. So, Mark, you said your background and focus is on the analytical side of the testing. So tell us a little bit about that and, what your purpose for this is going to be.
Sure. What we're trying to do is we wanted to create a laboratory that could do hemp testing. And in the state of Ohio, you don't have to have a license from the state to do that. So we still for hemp, correct. So we still have our license out for cannabis analytical solutions. We're still waiting for that to get approved by the state. But for hemp, we could start testing right away.
And you don't think they're going to put requirements in place to require you guys to be licensed for hemp?
You don't need a license for hemp, right, to test. Yeah. And so we're building this hemp testing lab. And for now, we're doing potency, but we're quickly adding all the other tests as well. Pesticides and all the other requirements, all the other requirements for cannabis. And but there's a unique twist to H Labs, which other laboratories don't have, and that's the transparency of the data. Obviously, we're going to build the analytical testing lab with the highest data integrity and data quality, with the highest analytical equipment you can get for the test. But on the transparency side, I think we have something really unique, and that's what Tyler and Jeff's going to talk about.
Yeah, you had mentioned that it's going to be a QR code where patients are going to be able to use that to get all their analytical data right at the fingertips. And this is where Tyler comes into play. So Tyler, tell us a little bit about it and how it's going to work.
Yeah, so like Mark had talked about, super into transparency, and we want to give people behind the counter complete confidence when they're giving somebody a product. Here, you can check the code right here on the product, and that'll take you directly to all of the information from that specific batch, and it'll be super interactive as well. What is CBD? What does this percent mean? Is that percent high or low, and is that good or bad? So we really wanted to incorporate that and make sure that the end consumer had the easiest, most transparent, obvious way of tracking those testings.
Mm-hmm. So now, is this going to be an app then that people are going to download to interact with your products?
Yeah.
Oh, that goes over to
Yeah, I'll take it over to Jeff.
Sure. Yeah, there are actually a number of different ways that you can access it. The key to our entire approach is actually to make it as accessible as we possibly can. So, that means that, you can access it on your computer, you can access it on your phone. We will have a QR code actually integrated into the app itself, but you could use an independent one just as easily. The key is to make an interactive experience that is as valuable as we can possibly make it to the user.
Okay.
And part of that reason is to really reduce the trust or make smaller that gap of trust between, okay, am I going to buy this CBD? Am I going to lose my job tomorrow because it has THC that I don't know about? Or am I buying a bottle that says it has CBD in it, but it's really just water and it's a placebo? And that trust gap is really wide right now. We're trying to narrow that trust gap, and that's what H Labs is all about.
That's important, and you guys are here in Ohio, based out of Columbus. Have a lot of experience in the industry, just not working on your Ohio license still.
Right.
But like you said, this is going to be totally hemp focused.
Correct.
As far as any other ways for people to find out more about your company, where would they go to do that?
Sure, they can find us on the web, and I'm still remembering our website. Jeff, I'll let you answer that.
It's hlabs.io, but we have actually not even set up the website yet. This has been such a fast-moving project that we're actually in the process of bringing all these things together at this moment.
Right. This is our official first conference.
Okay, well, congratulations.
Thank you.
We're always looking forward to helping promote new companies, and just because you don't have a website doesn't mean you guys aren't doing hard work.
Right.
Well, we appreciate your guys' input here, and we wish you guys the luck. We look forward to seeing how you develop. And one last thing, so the testing, will patients be able to see their information in just data, or will they get like a visual graphic to kind of break down percentages? Because I think a visual
Right.
graphic is important.
A visual graphic is important. And Jeff, I'll let you answer that.
Yeah, the entire purpose of it is to make it very interactive. So it's it becomes an interactive experience. It's available to you. It's available to any consumer. It's it's
Virtually anyone.
Cool. All right, cool. Well, hey guys, we appreciate it, and like I said, good luck.
Thank you.
Talk to you soon.
Thanks.
See you guys.
Sweet dreams are made.